ഒന്നാമതായിട്ട് രാവിലെ തന്നെ we had planned to go out for breakfast. So we off to brunch and cake and I had this amazing rhubarb granola bowl and carrot orange ginger juice. ഒരു ഹെൽത്തി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അത് നശിപ്പിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് we got a milk cake as well. This was kind of a brunch and it was so filling. So we skipped lunch and for dinner I made some chicken clear soup and ഒരു എഫക്റ്റിനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് മക്രോണി കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തു. Okay, so you know that I'm a very, very huge Vijay fan and I've been a bit emotional because of the last movie thing and I've been spamming in my Insta stories, but this man, I don't know. Jan 9th is going to be not an easy day for me. I know that for sure. So I booked my tickets for Jananayagan and a few minutes later it hit me that this is the last time and that was not easy. So we ended up listening to all of our Vijay songs and കുറച്ച് നിങ്ങളും കൂടെ കേട്ടോ.
I'm